Sometimes on WhatsApp, we use to make audio calls. When you're making an audio call, initially you can hear that audio call sound through your phone's earpiece. That means you need to keep the phone to your ear, then only you can hear the voice. But if you want to change that to loudspeaker, so you don't need to keep your phone to your ear, you can do that. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling you about how to change WhatsApp audio call sound to loudspeaker. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, for example, I'm selecting this contact. I want to make a call to this contact. For that, I'm clicking on this audio call button. Here you can see a button like this. This is the button for audio call. When you're clicking on that, the call will go. Now after they attend the call, if you want to hear that voice on loudspeaker, what you need to do is click on this button. Here you can see a button like this. When you're clicking on that, the voice will come from the loudspeaker. Now it is showing turned on. So this way you can easily hear WhatsApp audio call voice through the loudspeaker. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.